Adding Afterpay with the Cash App is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. You can make payments when any Afterpay purchase is completed with the Cash App. Here, tap on Activate Afterpay Order. Next, choose Pay Early. Now, select the amount that you want to pay. So confirm the payment, then tap on Done. Afterpay will set up a payment schedule, and they will automatically charge your linked debit or credit card for the installments on the due dates. To make purchases using Afterpay, you need to use the Afterpay platform directly and select it as a payment option during the checkout process of a retailer that supports it. Once you make the initial payment, if required, the retailer will process your order as usual, and you will receive your items. This is the way to add Afterpay with Cash App. It's important to note that Afterpay's availability and terms may vary depending on the specific store and location. Make sure to read and understand Afterpay's terms and conditions, as well as any fees or penalties for late payments.